Hey guys, this is Fundon on Nshopagama. Tonight on Imbewu, Kulego ask Mandisa why is on Makosazana house, but Mandisa spin Kulego a tall tale about her relationship with Coco, aka Makosazana, and it seems like Kulego believe Mandisa. While Nomsa confessed to Yenzegile that he used dark magic of and he used her grandmother power. And it seems like Genzegile got disappointed when he found that her father is sick because of Nomsa dark magic. While Mira tell Narobi the truth about the fake pregnancy. And it seems like Narobi is disappointed because of he do the funeral of the fake pregnancy of Mira, and it seems like he don't he she become upset after Mira tell her. Sbongile decides to have determination and ask Sizakele to go with her. While Sbongile is about to go in for her abortion when she get a phone call from Zetulele and change her mind. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.